Here's how to unblock numbers on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone, the first place that you can check is the phone app. So open up the phone app, and instead of the keyboard, we're going to tap on contacts here. Now, if you have a contact that is added as their phone number, you can see the little circle with the red line through it. You can both unblock them within that phone app, but if you don't see them on here, you can also go through the contacts list or block list. I'll show you how to do that as well. So on here, if you see them on your contacts, you can just tap on their name and then scroll down, and at the very bottom, you can tap unblock contact and it will unblock that number. However, let's say I'm just gonna reblock this contact. You can see under recents here, there might be some random numbers. Let's say this random number. I can tap on the little I next to it, and if I had tapped block, then again, I can just tap on unblock here. However, let's say it's not in your recents or in the phone app. You can always just go to the block list to see every number you have blocked. To be able to do that, let's hop out of here and open up the settings app on your phone. From here, let's scroll to the very bottom and tap on apps. And then all we need to do is scroll down until we find the phone option to get to the phone settings. Now that we're in the phone settings, all we need to do is scroll down until we find the block list. There it is, blocked contacts. On here, you can see any kind of your blocked contacts. Again, you can just swipe to the left and choose unblock, or you can just tap on the unknown. This will have unknown phone numbers and email addresses. If you have a number on here, all you need to do is swipe to the left and tap on the unblock option. You can do this in bulk if you wanted to select all of those and unblock all of the unknown numbers.